Today's video review is on the AKASO Nomad battery heated vest. We product tested this item in Rocky Mountain National Park. After charging the 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank, you just connect it via the USB port, and you can see the lights automatically turn on to indicate that the battery bank is connected to your jacket. The additional USB port is lit for access on dark nights. Once attached, you just tuck the battery bank into this additional pocket located in the left-hand side of the vest. The pocket is situated in a way to not interfere with the normal operation of your hand pocket. To activate the system, you just hold down the front or the back button to activate either respective area. Each region defaults to high when initially turned on, but can be switched to medium or low with the quick tap of a button for each respective area. To turn off the system, you simply hold down a button for 3 seconds and that's it. The system will also automatically turn itself off. After the recent snows in Rocky Mountain National Park, we knew we'd see plenty of wildlife, so this was the perfect opportunity to test out our new vest. Along this drive, we saw plenty of amazing wildlife, such as this deer that you see here. We also found a snow-covered bear, which my lovely Kim is posing in front of in this picture. And to top it all off, we also saw a bobcat. With a considerable chill in the air and the temperature sure to be falling based on a winter storm warning that we were receiving in the middle of our journey, we went ahead and got outside of the car and braved the elements. We briefly wondered what it would be like to travel this frozen expanse without the luxury of this amazing off-road vehicle. Although you would normally wear some kind of a dry outer layer on a rainy day or on a day when the snow was a little bit more soft, this jacket's outer layer seemed to repel the snowflakes just fine. So now the question you've been waiting to hear the answer to, is it Rocky Mountain National Park approved?
It's warm.
It is warm. My hands are nice and toasty.
It also comes with this amazingly durable case that doubles as a pillow, or a curious rescue dog's temporary play toy. Well, that's it. We've got to go. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and thank you to my lovely Kim for modeling this vest.